Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to discuss some of the questions from the page number 53. These questions are from chapter The Structure of Atom, and this chapter is under CBSE standard. So the question is, for the symbol D, H and T, tabulate the three subatomic particles. Now H stands for hydronium, deuterium and tritium. These are three isotopes of hydrogen. And if you have any doubt in isotopes, please check my video based on isotopes. I have given the link of that video in the description. Here let us see three subatomic particles, that is proton, electron and neutron. This is hydrogen and it has one atomic number and one mass. This is deuterium, it has one atomic number and two mass. Tritium has one atomic number and mass number of tritium is 3. So where is the difference? Proton count will remain same. Electron count will remain same. But hydrogen has no neutron. So here if proton and neutron we will add, because number of proton and number of neutron will give us atomic mass. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So here hydrogen's atomic mass will be 1 because here neutron count is 0. Whereas in second isotope, that is deuterium, one proton, one electron is there, but neutron is also 1 here. So 1 plus 1, the mass will be 2. So here deuterium is one atomic number, but the mass number of deuterium is 2. Now when we are talking about tritium, 1, 1 and 2. Here proton count is 1, electron count is 1, but the neutrons count is 2. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3 atomic mass unit for tritium. So here this is atomic number and this is mass number. So 1 atomic number for 1 proton and 3 will be there for mass number. So here this is the mass of an atom and this is atomic number. This is also for proton count. So that is how you can remember 1H1, 1D2 and 1T3. So from this you can write, and wherever the count is not matching you can put it here 0 because hydrogen has no neutron in this. Here sometimes we also write protium because it is a isotopic species of hydrogen. So we have mentioned here protium. So here instead of hydrogen we can also write protium, and that is hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Sometimes we are also mentioning protium. Next question is, write electronic configuration of any one pair of isotopes and isobars. So here isotopes and isobar I have mentioned. Now what is the basic difference between isotopes and isobar? Isotopes are same atomic number but different mass number. It is the same element but they are having difference in their neutron count. So that's why their mass will be different but their atomic number will be same. So that's why proton count will be same and number of electron will be there. And as they are having the same number of electron, their electronic configuration will be same. So if we are writing electronic configuration of C612, it is for this 6. We are not writing electronic configuration for mass number. We are writing electronic configuration for atomic number and number of electrons. So electronic configuration will be 2, 4 here. And then for this 14, 6, we are writing electronic configuration, that is for this 6 number. So it will be same. So even though isotopes are having different mass number, their electronic configuration will be same. Why? Because they are sharing same proton count, they are sharing same electron count. And we are writing electronic configuration from electronic number, that is electrons number. So they will have same electronic configuration. Now isobars. What is the isobar? Isobar is different atomic number but same mass number. or same atomic mass. For example, calcium, its atomic number is 20 but its atomic mass is 40. Here argon, its atomic number is 18 but its mass is 40. Both has same mass but they have different atomic number. So here their electronic configuration will be different. So here if we are writing calcium's electronic configuration, then we have to write according to 20. 20 is atomic number. Atomic number is number of proton and number of proton equals to number of electrons. So we have to write electronic distribution for 20 electrons. So it will be 2, 8, 8 and 2. This will be the electronic configuration of calcium. Now if we will write the electronic configuration of argon, it has 18 protons and number of protons equals to number of electrons. So we have to write configuration for 18 electrons. So the electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 8. Here both electronic configuration will be different. So this is the basic difference between isotopes and isobar. This we have to remember, that it has same atomic number but different mass number. Here different atomic number but same mass number. Because here same atomic number, their electronic configuration will be same. But here atomic number is different, that's why their electronic configuration will also different.